Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and 10 days ago I was just looking at my Lexus and thinking what else should I add aside from the black roof that I already bought the wrap, it's ready. I was thinking about lowering it, I was thinking about buying some other wheels, and it took me days to process and to come to a conclusion, and in the end I'm not gonna lower this car. This car is still my daily, I already have my lowered Peugeot, I don't need another lowered car in my family, so I'm gonna keep it like this. It's not that bad. It has a sport suspension which is a bit lower than the luxury or standard suspension, but what I look at this gap here, and when you look from the rear of the car, the rear wheels are they're too much inside. They should stick out more. The front wheels aren't that bad. Of course they are inside, but the rears, yeah, there's a big gap, as you can see from this angle. I tried to find some rims with the lower ET to extend the wheels, but I didn't find any good deal, and I decided I'm gonna stick with the OEM sporty Lexus wheels. I think they still look nice. You probably can't see it, but they're turning yellow because, you know, exposed on the sun. So it needs polishing and it needs some love, but I decided to stick with them and to just install the spacers only on the rear wheels to just fill in this gap a little bit, and I think it's gonna look way more aggressive than what it is right now. So I'm gonna show you the Eibach spacers that I bought. So unboxing is coming right up. So this is the box, Eibach. It came from Germany. It costed around 100 or 110 euros. This is the code of dimensions for my specific case. And when you open it, it's made out of like some kind of a forged aluminum, or I don't even know, but they claim that you will lose less performance because it's not a steel, it's lighter. Now, I don't have any experience in spacers, but it seems light, it doesn't weigh much. So this is how it looks. There's some numbers here, made in Germany. Of course, I have two of them. That's all you get. Next thing is the installation. Can't wait to see the end result, so let's go. The spacers are installed, and as you saw, it was an easy installation, like maybe 10-minute job. Anyway, this is how it looks, and I wasn't expecting the rear wheels, the spacers are gonna extend this much, but it's perfect. I'm not saying it's too much. As you can see, it aligns with the body, and now this white part has more of a meaning. But I think in the end I'm gonna put spacers on the front wheels as well, because to me it's kind of a big difference between the rear wheels and the front wheels. What I also love with these spacers is the car looks like it's lowered. I mean, this gap here is way smaller now that the wheel extended, and I'll show you this one. You can see there they are. I'm telling you, I don't need to lower this car at all. It's low enough. So I'll show you a few more scenes. I mean, I am so satisfied. I didn't feel any difference on the road. It drives normally, it drives the same. From the rear, it also, because it follows the body of the car, oof, it's so nice. July 6th is the day when I'll do the exhaust upgrade, and I'll put a bigger tips, so it's gonna be even more aggressive. Anyway, that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts about it, and tell me, should I also put the spacers at the front wheels? If you ask me, I think I'll end up putting it. Although I heard you ruin the geometry because the front wheels are steering, and when you extend them, the handling is not quite the same. But of course, I won't go 20 millimeters. I think 10 millimeters would be perfect. So let me know what you think about all that. In the next modification, I will wrap the roof in black. So stay tuned for that, and take care.